What if I told you that there is a YouTube niche that's not only super easy, but also perfect for faceless content? Yes, it's 100% monetizable. Creating content without having showing your face and still making money. Into this video, I will reveal to you the easiest faceless AI YouTube niche that you can start ngayon at para ma-monetize ka agad. Ito ang issue. Ang daming taong gustong magsimula sa pag-YouTube, but they either don't want to be on camera or they are worried na mahirap maghanap ng niche. But ano nga ba yung niche? Ang niche ay isang topic ng iyong content or topic ng iyong YouTube channel. At ito ang niche na sobrang easy to manage at monetize. Ang daming niches na ngayon that already too competitive. Kasi guys, pag magta-try kang pumasok sa mga saturated na mga niche, your chance of success will go down. That's why a lot of people get discouraged to start their YouTube automation and quit before they even started. Pero ito na, I found a niche that's only easy but also faceless or hindi ka nagpapakita at kayang-kayang i-monetize. The niche is compilation and reaction videos. Sounds simple, right? Compilation videos are really perfect for YouTube automation. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-record ng sarili mong videos. You can compile trending clips, create reaction, or commentary content, and upload it to YouTube. This type of videos are super easy. Some basic editing, also you're good to go. Plus, compilation videos are highly shareable or mabilis ang engagement kasi lahat ng mga tao nakaabang sa mga compilation videos. Kaya mabilis din mag-grow yung audience at possible na mag-viral ang yung YouTube videos. So now, you're probably wondering, how do I monetize this kind of videos? Simple lang. These videos are often family-friendly and get a lot of views, they are perfect for AdSense. At para kung mas malaki ang kikitain mo, you can also add affiliate marketing, which is maglalagay ka ng mga products sa iyong descriptions. Or if you want, create your own digital product and promote it using by your AI YouTube channel. For example, I started a faceless compilation channel focused on satisfying videos. Within just a few months, it was really earning consistent income. And the best part here, ang bilis ng production nito. Just find trending clips, compile them, add royalty-free music or commentary, and make it your own, then upload. If you really want to start your own faceless YouTube channel and one of these easiest niche, you need to make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell button kasi marami pa ako ibabahagi sa inyo ng mga iba't ibang niches in order to your video go viral. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!